What's up, Flummies? I'm Julianna, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the windshield wiper. The windshield wiper is a stall that you can use as a combo with both hands, or you can do it as a stall with one hand in the middle of your flow. So how we're going to start this move is you could start anyway, as long as the Flowstar is spinning from one direction, you're going to be catching it with the opposite hand on the other side. And so when I catch it, I'm going to catch the Flowstar at the bottom of the Flowstar, and I'm going to keep my thumb in the front and my forefingers in the back. So we're going to start with a reverse figure 8 just for this tutorial, and we're going to flick it over, catch it, stall, and then you're going to bop it over to the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a reverse figure 8, pop it over, catch, stall, flick back over. Again. And you can play with this like small and in front of you. And once you get comfortable, you can start going in larger circles. And that is how you do the windshield wiper. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked today's tutorial, and please follow for more.